Oh my gosh. Tornado forming right now! Tornado, give it a second. On Friday, August 7th, 2020, a rapidly rotating wall cloud formed just southwest of Pine Point, Minnesota. Oh my gosh. Tornado forming right now! Tornado, give it a second. Tornado on the ground! Right there! Yep, tornado on the ground! This storm was very close to producing a tornado. Although it was not confirmed by the National Weather Service, a brief touchdown behind the trees could have occurred. Let me know in the comments if you think this storm actually touched down or not. It's very hard to say without seeing any damage to confirm it. What city are we by? Pine Point. It says this is a road here, but I don't know if it's a real road. Pass on. To keep up with this storm, we needed to take some tight back roads through the woods. Massive wall cloud right there. Wow. We continued to follow this storm as it stayed tornado warned into Nevis, Minnesota. Oh, she's getting spinny on us again. This lightning's kind of cool. Oh, this is a great shot.
Come on.
What do you think of the chase?
So good.
You chase again?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't seen like a full formed tornado yet, so
One day. That's a pretty good chase though.
I liked it a lot.
We'll have to review that footage to see if that tornado actually touched down or not, but it might have been a touchdown, I don't know. Still, an awesome chase. We're with this storm from birth to death. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next chase.